So I actually just got word that Joel has his car back. That poor man went about a month and a half, hell, maybe even 2 months without his 2014 California Special Whipple Charged 5.0. And he was having some clutch problems, if I remember correctly, maybe shifter problems too. All I know is that he has the problem resolved. Him and Mantic went back and forth, and it was actually, I think, a manufacturing problem. We're gonna head to the Miranda's. We haven't been there in a minute. We haven't seen his car in a minute. And I figured to hop in old Blucifer, take a nice little ride, and see how the things are doing and get his little update on the car. So, we gotta do it. So we just pulled up, got good old Electra peeking through the garage, but let's go say what's up. This is how you enter Joel's house. I'm here. See, it's over here. Works every time. Looks like you're doing some coding with all these screens. Look at this. Look at you just kicking it, staring at your Whipple. Someone's happy to have it back.
I am happy to have my car back.
Feel good? It's been how long? I told them it was like a month and a half.
A month and a half. When I took my car to go get the clutch done, the exhaust was rattling. I thought something was loose. It blew the cats out of the X-pipe. So, me being me, went ahead and bought an H-pipe for it. So now I have a whole different setup under the car, so it sounds a little different.
Is it still a catted H, or is it
it's still
non-catted? Okay, this one's a catted H.
It's still catted too, but it's an H versus an X.
Yeah, and you have, what, an uncatted setup too you could run if you wanted with the X?
I can now. If you ever have cooks, you don't have to buy the whole set. They actually sell the arms. So you can go ahead and buy the cats or uncatted. They still sell uncatted. So you better get on that. Yes.
Man, this thing is super clean though. See, that's the power of ceramic coating. Yeah. I told myself before Mustang week it has to happen or otherwise I'm not going.
I'm actually, it's starting to get little scratches and swirls.
Is it?
Yeah. I mean, it's been a couple years too. Ceramic coat I put on it was only a 3-year ceramic coat.
Oh, okay, so that makes sense.
So it's starting to blemish, but it still pops when it's
cleaned up. Yeah. So, there's a good old Whipple.
Yeah, it's all back together and I'm happy. I'm happy it's back. I still gotta mess around with it a little.
So yours is really springy, because I'll let you feel mine. He also took out the spring assembly. Wait, why do you have to? Oh, okay. So, but yeah, spring assembly's out. Yours still feels that springy, huh?
Yeah. Well, it's not bad.
Let me see.
But see, when you get in your car, is your pedal low? Put your foot under the pedal and raise it up, and then it'll stay wherever it is.
Well, let's hear this thing. Does it sound much different?
It does a little.
Little bit. You probably won't really notice like a huge difference until you're in it.
Right. Well, it's definitely louder when you drive it.
Oh, peep the TV though, fam. Dang, Joel out here upgrading. Yeah. He out here making moves.
Are you fun to drive right now?
What?
That red car.
The V6?
Yeah.
The one that's coming from Brandon, you said, right?
No, it's coming from Brandon. That thing is so fun to drive though.
It's a cozy car.
What it is, and now that I got it tuned.
Wait, you're tuned?
Yeah, it's tuned.
No way.
Yeah.
Did it actually pick up some power?
It did on the lower end.
On the lower end?
Like I said, on the high end, it just falls on his face. But like I said, it's peppy.
It's deeper. It's definitely deeper.
If X-Pipe makes it louder or...
X-Pipe's going to be more raspy. This is going to have more of a defined, deeper tone.
It definitely... I like this.
Yeah, sounds good. Sounds really good. Really quick for the people that haven't been updated, what exactly was going on with the car? I myself was a little lost.
I still don't know exactly what it is. They said it was riding on the driving block, whatever that is. I don't know what that is. When the throwout bearing pushes in, you have the teeth on the clutch. The pad, so it pushes the clutch in and out to stop it from moving or whatever. I think that was being hung up. So when it would pull out, you would get the little snag, and that's why it would make a lot of noise and do whatever. So they resurfaced they pretty much did a brand new clutch for me. It's the same clutch I sent, but they resurfaced and did everything, so it came back brand new.
Yeah, okay.
So,
well, It's together and it's here now.
Yep.
So I mean, break-in period yet again. This is the third time. Dang.
I know.
Hopefully this is it though.
My car had been over freaking 7,000 RPM in freaking 2 years.
No kidding, no kidding. I just wanted to go and bring this little update for you all because I'm sure you were wondering where his car's been in his videos and my videos. So now you know. And again, break-in periods for both of these. Mine's almost done. He's just starting that journey.
I'm at like 130 right now.
Dude, you did that fast.
No, because Jay was breaking it.
Ah, okay. So that it's like 400 more to go. But
by Mustang
there it
week,
is.
it'll be ready.
Yeah, by Mustang week you'll be ready with your 5th clutch, 2nd set of exhaust. You know.
Look up there in the back.
The
RST.
cloud up there.
Yeah.
Jeez. So we're about to see what this new exhaust sounds like. I think it might have got a little quieter. Uh-oh, wait. He gave me the hold on. Oh, you're wild. Sounds good.
I had to make sure I couldn't go fast.
Yeah, I like how you hit it.
I hit little.
What are break-in miles? So we have a little action taking place here in the second garage. We got Snowman, Mr. SRT8 himself, Scatty McPatty.
Continues. Another stepping stone.
What are we doing today, man?
We do some catless mid pipes.
Catless mid pipes.
Yep.
Last video, I think we had this thing on. You did the muffler delete.
Muffler delete. Yep.
She sounded pretty good.
That did sound pretty good.
Sounds actually really good. Now you're just gonna piss everybody off.
Now we're
literally
gonna
this whole block from here, because your apartments are over there.
We're gonna have exhaust battles from across the property. It's gonna be fantastic.
Yo, shut up, dude. That's why your boots are clean. Who wears clean boots and says they work on cars? My Vans are even more crushed than that.
Look at my Adidas.
Y'all work more than I do. I don't know what I'm doing.
What did you say?
Dude, I rented a snack pack for a minute.
We know where your mind's at. He thought this said snack pack. Yo, Tyler. This man is goofing right now. Tyler. He saw your Scat pack emblem. And he's sitting back here staring at it. And he's like, dude, I thought that said snack pack. I don't know where these people come from, man. They just wind up at my house somehow. But got some goodies going on, man. Harbor Freight
from up there.
Harbor Freight jack stands.
No way he's fitting under there.
Said you're getting gapped. 245s.
Come on, bro.
I think the stock 2 valve comes with bigger tires than that.
It does. Probably right. There's no way here in the power in this bitch to do 305s. That's just a look.
Man, f that. Do it for the looks, bro. Any of you guys have a quarter on you?
It looks so fucking good. You don't
Chill out.
Everybody says white. Fuck that. Dark purple.
No, what everybody says is get rid of that fucking front plate. Stop
One
being
thing
such
at
a
a
pussy,
time.
dude. Take it off right now. Take it off right now. How you gonna let your boys up there start working?
Look. Oh, you can't see him. These guys are fucking posers. This is work. This is how you get shit done.
Reading company. I'm definitely sending you this into the office. It wouldn't be the first time you got a video sent in on you, though.
It wouldn't be.
The last time you got a video sent in, you see that balcony up there? Yeah. They threw a fucking dresser off of it. Check out Grant.Performance. He will make your stock car that is legal illegal as hell. Alex Grant Performance has you covered. As you're about to see here, he is installing.
Don't hit him up.
He is installing a set of, therefore making the car super illegal. He's such a good dude, man. Hit him up, Grant.Performance. Hey, I just plugged you, bro. Appreciate it, bro. No worries, bro. Did you get the dime out of your pants? No. Hey, see how the sound detonating is screaming it. That's it. What is going on underneath there?
Fuck you, EPA.
Cabs are off.
Yeah.
Ready for the thumbnail, dog?
Yo, I can't take you, dude. Hold on, I'm taking the photo now.
No worries.
Why do I feel like I'm fucking recording? Wait, we didn't get the thumbnail, deadass.
Nah.
We didn't. Right. Come on, hurry up.
Stop. Fuck you, bro.
I felt bored again, dude.
YouTube. Unsubscribe.
Alright, no, for real. Can we please get it? Please, I'm serious. I'm dead serious. I'm gonna take a photo this time.
No, bro.
Like, but when you get on it. Camera doesn't do it justice, but it's loud. Sounds good. See, now it's super tamed.
It was like an actual like.
Well, wait until he actually like locks open those cutouts or whatever the hell they are. Yeah. Then it's gonna be loud 24/7. What up?
We're closed.
They're closed?
Yeah, we don't work on blue pieces of crap. Bye.
Nice blue shirt. This Mopar no car, dude. Yo, I need you to stop tweaking, bro. You're tripping.
Blew my fucking ears out.
Yeah, oh, really?
Dog, you were gagging that bitch after the light. That was an undercover sitting right there. He was watching you the whole time.
No way.
That's why I was going slow.
What undercover?
When we took a right, not the one that was sitting up here, but at the light, there was an undercover in the all-white car. He was staring right at me. I was like, oh, shit.
Was I bugging?
You were bugging, bro.
What was I doing?
I heard you yakking that bitch.
I don't think so.
He didn't come. He didn't turn around. It was undercover, though.
Maybe it was off duty.
Yeah.
Or maybe he was just scared because he saw the tire on the car and was like, oh, yeah, we ain't catching him.
Welcome to Great Performance.
Wow. What up, Christopher? Look at this spot. Very nice.